Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you create a Substack blog. First, navigate to substack.com and select the option to create your own publication. You'll then choose a distinctive name and define a clear focus for your content. Craft a compelling description that immediately captures the interest of potential subscribers. Finally, complete your profile by adding a professional image and a concise biographical statement to introduce yourself. Next, personalize your publication's appearance to reflect your brand. Upload a distinctive header image and a clear logo. Carefully choose fonts and a color palette that align with your aesthetic. Consider organizing your content into logical sections to improve navigation for your readers. Don't forget to configure your email settings to ensure your newsletters are delivered effectively and look great in inboxes. Now, it's time to create your content. Begin by drafting your initial post, ensuring it offers engaging and valuable information to your readers. Use Substack's intuitive editor to format your text, embed images, and include relevant links. Strategically schedule your posts for times when your audience is most likely to be active. You can choose to offer all content for free, exclusively paid content, or a combination of both. To grow your audience, actively share your Substack link across all your social media channels. Foster a strong community by engaging with your readers through comments and other interactive features. When ready, introduce paid subscriptions. Many creators find success with a price point of $5 per month. Regularly review your audience growth and content performance metrics to refine your strategy and maximize your reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.